Welcome back again, traders, to the channel for the big figure trades. At the moment we're just from the Asian session today, 22nd of January, it's a Wednesday. We just had during Asia this rundown on the New Zealand CAD into the big figure, and then we got a response off here. Now this was not an ideal situation. What I didn't like, just how the price was drifting down here. So I took this as an exercise trade, not as a live trade, but still worthwhile recording and going through the process. So we could hear at the start of the day we come up around that 81.30-35 level, consolidate somewhat here, so we form a bit of a base in and around this 81.15-14 level. Then we start to break down. So I would have liked to see price come down a lot quicker into this rather than just plodding, drifting, no volatility way, but it did this anyway. So then it traded exactly into the big figure, and I'll show you where the support was on the hourly chart just to make it easier. Then we pop up, we have a first profit level here at 81.10, we bring the stop in close, we consolidate in around this support level here, then we break through to our next level, which is for us a P2 level. So then we take out some more profit, bring the stop up. Amended stop is now in this 81.6 area, looking for price to push up towards this P3 level, which is around 81.19 or 81.20. Failed to do so, came back, found some support in this area, thinking at this point we might have a bit of a show at getting 81.20, but it couldn't do so. Then we start to get a little bit of price fall off here, consolidated here, and I'm actually thinking that we might just be forming another shelf here and then having another run, but didn't do so, popped down and then took out the stop. So that was the trade done. If we look at this on the hourly chart, so this is the setup from the previous video where we spoke about price just drifting higher, no volatility in here, we're just drifting higher. That's fairly dangerous for a big figure trade because we're rarely going to see a type of response we want. It can happen, but the odds are definitely against us. So then we popped up, and then we started to see on this hourly chart looking more of a down type of trend here, short-term trend at least, where the lows and the highs are just becoming deeper. So this overall price action here looks like we are heading up, but then we come back in, which is quite healthy and normal. The area of concern around the big figure I had today, we had this area which was quite nice, the previous session lows where price stuck at, but somewhat concerned these levels here that price may want to pop down during Asia around that 80-85 level before taking off. So opted to stay out of the trade. Now we can just see price pulling back a little bit deeper. So just one last time, here's the setup again. So this is Asia about midday in Sydney. Price comes down. This is not what I was keen on because they're 5-minute candles, but it's fairly, price breaks down, fills back in again. It's all a little bit heavy and non-directional, so would have much rather seen price come down a bit, maybe pull back up, then a bit of a quick run down, and then we can pick up here at the big figure. But either way it worked out. It just shows you how good the big figure level can be, especially combined with support or resistance levels. It can work really good.